Hello students, today we are discussing about Cloud Cube model, which is one of the effective tool or effective concept we can say to evaluate opportunities and risks while moving to cloud platform. So let's start with this model. This Cloud Cube model is designed and developed by Jericho Forum. Actually, this Jericho Forum is a global organization which deal with challenges of information security in an increasingly complex environment. In fact, Jericho Forum has written one white paper called Cloud Cube model. So this Cloud Cube model help to categorize cloud network based on 4-dimensional factors. And the main focus is to protect and secure the cloud network. This model helps to cloud users to selecting cloud formation. So, the basic idea behind this model is when any organization or any business is moving to cloud platform, that organization should go through this model for selecting their cloud formation. Now we will see dimensions of Cloud Cube model. There are 4 dimensions of this Cloud Cube model. First one is internal and external, which is based on physical location of data. Next one is proprietary and open. This dimension states about ownership of cloud technology. Next one is, third one, deperimeterized and perimeterized. This dimension is based on security range. And the last one is, fourth one, insourced dimension and outsourced dimension, which is actually combination of above 3 dimensions. So let's move to see what is internal and external dimension. This is a basic cloud form, we can say. Okay, this physical location of data is the basic cloud form, that is internal and external. See, if resources are hosted in your physical boundary, means inside your campus, inside your building campus, then dimension is called as a internal. And if all the resources are hosted outside your physical boundary, that is outside your campus, which it is considered as a external. So the data which is stored using private cloud will be considered as internal, and data outside the private cloud will be considered as external. Now the next dimension is second dimension, proprietary and open. This proprietary and open dimension, it states about ownership of cloud technology and interfaces. It also tells about degree of interoperability. Okay, so in the context of cloud computing, what is a degree of interoperability? It is ability of user side system, okay, to communicate between two different type of services. Okay, that is called as a interoperability. So provider owned services are called as a proprietary, Okay, while open source code or open published systems are referred to as open. See, in open dimension, user is not constrained to being able to share the data and collaborate with selected partners, okay, using this open technology. Now the third dimension is deperimeterized and perimeterized. This is third type of a cloud formation. This dimension is based on security range. These two dimensions, deperimeterized and perimeterized, these two dimensions tells us whether you are operating inside your IT mindset or outside it. Okay, see, in various businesses or organizations, they are having some traditional mindsets, okay, for their IT boundary, for their security. They are having some traditional mindsets. So what is perimeterized dimension? If you are working, or if that organization is working or operate within their traditional IT boundary, okay, then it is called as a perimeterized dimension. And often this traditional boundary is signaled by network firewalls. Okay, what it means, if you are working within, means if your data is within your network firewalls, within your security boundary, then it is considered as perimeterized. Okay, and if your data collaborates with the entities outside your traditional IT boundary, then it is considered as deperimeterized. Okay, in this dimension, in this deperimeterized dimension, data will be encapsulated with metadata and mechanisms. Okay, and what is the purpose of this encapsulation? Which will further help to protect the data and limit the inappropriate usage of your data. Okay, so this encapsulation is adding some security layer, okay, to your data. Okay, so there is one wall between perimeterized and deperimeterized cubes. Yes, means these two layers are there, perimeterized and deperimeterized, and there is one wall between them which is called as a DMZ, that is demilitarized zone. What is this demilitarized zone? It is actually a sub-network, okay, which contains and which exposes an organization's external facing services to an untrusted network. Okay, means actually while your data is going or collaborating outside your traditional boundary, outside your security boundary, this wall will face all the external services, okay, to an untrusted network. Okay, and what is the purpose of this DMZ? Is to add an additional security layer to your network, organization's LAN. Yes, in this diagram you can see DMZ. What is see, here is the demilitarized zone. And the last dimension is insourced and outsourced. In the outsourced dimension, all the services are provided by third party, whereas in the insourced dimension, the services provided by own staff under the control. Okay, if you see here in this diagram, this outsourced, okay, we can see here outsourced is combination of external, open and deperimeterized, and insourced is combination of internal, proprietary and perimeterized. Okay, see in next diagram you can see it properly. See this this diagram indicates that insourced is combination of internal, proprietary, perimeterized, and outsourced dimension comprises external, open and deperimeterized boundaries. Okay, that is how this cloud cube model helps in selecting your cloud formation, which will add more security to your cloud formation. Okay. I hope this session is knowledgeable to you. Thank you.